quality is completely different.
Very different.
We do.
You know, I have a purse like this
We do
from
something-
Atmosphere,
yeah.
just exactly like this.
Yeah, you see, the quality we do is beautiful.
This is beautiful,
Yeah.
guys. This is beautiful.
Anywhere in the world,
Yo.
Nigerian leather is being used, but the thing is, it's made in Italy or made in Portugal or made in China.
Whereas it's actually Nigerian leather.
It's the origin is Nigerian leather, but abroad they don't do that. So the Nigerians are going to Europe and buying Nigerian leather for very high prices.
Wow.
Because of the brand.
Because of the brand.
But at the end of the day, the best leather in the world is Nigerian.
Thank you very much for telling us this. This is, guys, this is supposed to be said off camera, but I'm very grateful. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
I went on a solo trip to a tannery where animal hides and skins are being processed to leathers. Z Tannery Nigerian Limited, located in Kano State, Nigeria, 6 miles from town, manufactures leathers. Let's go see how it's made.
Okay.
So for sheep, goat, the same place we are keeping it.
For everything.
Yes.
But these are dried ones.
Yeah, for the cow, we used to dry it because we used to keep it for a long period of time.
Okay, before you process it.
Yes.
All right.
But for the sheep, goat, when we brought it, we are putting it, clean it, and put it in stage.
Okay.
So after roasting the department.
Okay, what department is this?
This is a raw skin department.
Roasting?
Raw skin.
Raw skin.
Yes.
Okay, this is the raw skin department.
Yes. So after the both things from our raw skin department, we'll take it to beam house.
What do you call this?
Beam house.
Beam.
Beam.
Wow. Okay, so this is the beam house for Z Tannery, Kano State, Nigeria.
Yes.
All right. I'm on to Mr. Abbas. He's a staff here, and he's going to take me through the process.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
So after you trim from outside, you'll take it to paddle. This is a paddle.
Okay.
This is the paddle section.
Okay.
Where the goods will be put inside the paddle for 2 days. There is some process.
Okay, you mean this thing over here?
Yes.
Can we go close to it?
Yeah.
All right.
If you want to see how it's running, I will call an electrician now to start it for you.
Okay. Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah, all these ones are the same machines.
Wow, there are so plenty.
Yeah.
How many of these do you have here?
14.
Okay, guys.
I think
Yeah, it's okay. It's enough. Wow. So that's the paddling machine. I guess this washes the leather, right?
Yeah, the one you wash the leather if you put it inside.
Okay.
In the two, you will line the skins and upload population. That is the next stage that we are going.
Okay, so this one washes it.
The one you will wash it.
Okay.
The two will apply some chemical and upload for the next stage.
Oh.
So after we upload from the paddle,
Okay.
we take it to fleshing machine. This is the fleshing machine.
To deflesh the entire skin, remove all the flesh from it.
Yes.
Wow. So this is a mechanized processing. Here is the defleshing machine, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All is the same machine.
Wow. So this is a defleshing machine.
Yes.
We have about 4 here.
Yes.
Thank you.
So after we flesh, we'll scale all the skins in this scaling.
That's where you weigh it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So still in beam house.
Yes, this is the beam house.
Yeah. So we'll take it to the next stage, which is our drum. So I run one After we wait from the scale, we'll put it inside the drum for 1 day process.
How many drums do you have in here? This is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8.
guys, this is a very huge company. Okay, what does this drum do?
Yeah, after from the scaling, we'll put it inside the drum to make a wet glue.
To make what?
Wet blue.
Wet blue.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the wet blue about?
It's a 1 day process. And this is how wet blue is going.
So after this drum, what does this drum do?
Like as I told you before, after bleaching,
Yes.
they weigh it in a scale.
Yes.
You put it inside the drum to make it wet blue.
Okay.
You apply some chemical for 1 day. The next day in the morning or afternoon, we'll upload that from the drum and apply it to make it wet blue like this one as you are seeing now.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one we keep it almost 3 months.
It gives it a blue color.
Yes, that is why we call it wet blue.
Wet blue.
Yes.
Perfect.
So this one you can keep it for 1 year
if you're not ready to process it.
Yes.
So it can stay here for as long as a year.
Yes.
Wow. But this wet blue, it colors the whole.
From this wet blue, you can make all the color that you want to make.
Okay, but this is the base color, right?
Yes.
Okay, so wet blue is the base color.
We call it wet blue because we can keep it wet for a long period of time.
Okay.
And the blue from the color blue.
Okay.
Yes. We put in a paddle. We put inside the drum. We pile it. The next thing is setting out. The setting out machines. Setting out machines.
Okay.
Yeah. Some people they are calling a Simon machine.
Okay. Yeah. What does this setting out to
They
do?
will remove the water and open all the skins.
Okay, this is to expand the skin.
Yes.
Okay.
Remove the water and open the skins.
Okay.
So this one, I think, this is already a set. If you compare with the other one that you have,
you can see it's not as large as this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This is it.
So this is the byproduct of goats, sheep, and.
Yeah, this one is a sheep.
Okay.
And the other one that I show you inside is a goat.
Goat. Do you do this for the same process for all kind of leather?
The same process.
Okay.
Same process. So, from setting out, we can take it direct to the wet blue section. Wet blue section. And this wet blue section is a place where all the skins will be selected based on the size grade. They will make a grading first. Make it A, B, C, D. I will make a size maybe from 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So based on that one, we are making a pattern like this one. So from wet blue selection, there is some selection that will taking it for returning, and some selection we are taking it direct for export. Like this one as you are seeing, we finish selecting all these ones. It's ready for export this one. Based on the selection that we have from wet blue. Yeah.
So these ones that are going to be taken for tanning, can you tell us more about the process?
Yes. After selection, they will make it based on grade 1, 2, 3. Like grade 1, we are taking it direct for black. Grade 2 also, sometimes we are taking it for black or other color like white, blue, red. It depends on how the customer did the color. If we have the order for the black, we make a selection of black from wet blue. If we have order for natural, we'll make selection also from wet blue. We take the base grade, we make it for the customers.
Can we see it?
Go to
the ones that you've colored.
Yeah, we have. But we have two types of selection also. We have the wet blue selection and cross selection. The wet blue selection is taking place in that place, while the cross selection is taking place in this place, because from there direct to measuring the
What exactly is the tanning process?
The tanning process, they will apply like what I told you. We have a natural, we have a black. So if you have a black, you are going to make black. You have to find out the dyes that you are going to make it black to apply some chemical. But the best thing in that one, you have to have a chemical like the black. The natural, you need to have also the chemical that will make the color to be white. So that is what we are. Yeah. What I'm trying to explain to you now. So this is the measuring section. From cross selection to measuring selection.
What does this machine do?
The measuring machine. This measuring machine is the one that we are using to make to bring out the sizes. because you cannot have accurate hand sizing, so we can use it with this machine. If you need exactly 4, so this machine will give us 4. If you need 5, this machine will give us 5. Any size that we need, this machine will separate it for us.
Okay, so this machine measures it in meters or?
No, the square foot.
Okay, the square foot.
Yes.
Okay.
After this one, we have another measuring machine inside of it. You can use it either this one or this one. Process from after wet glue, we take it back to drum. We make a returning either natural or black or beige tan. It depends on the color. This is the last stage. From there to airport, direct to customer. Like this one. This is the natural color. This is the natural color. And we have the black. See? This is the black. And all this one they made it from wet glue. The buffing machine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 buffing machines.
Okay. This buffing machine, what does it do?
Yeah, the buffing machine will remove the balance of the flesh that we have from the wet stage. So the buffing machine will remove all the flesh that we have, the balance one.
Okay. It will remove the flesh.
Yes.
Okay, from the dried.
Yeah, from the dried.
Okay.
We have some examples. So you can see now, nothing like the flesh of
Nothing
the body.
like flesh.
Yes, you see.
Wow.
You see.
This is nice. Turn it over. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so how do we get suede? If we need to get something suede, is this suede leather?
Yeah, this one is a suede leather.
Okay, so you mean suede is the inside out of the leather?
Yes.
Wow. So guys, suede leather is not different from other leathers. It's just the inside out.
Staking. Mostly we use it for goat. If you are going to make a goat suede, we are using a staking machine to open all the skins. It's almost the same work with that staking out machine that I told you before to remove the water and open the skins. But this one we are using it in a dry process. We can put it and open all the skins. You see the skin are flat, open, if you use the staking machine. After selection of the wet glue, before it go back to drum section, so we have to take it direct to shaving machine. And the shaving machine, from there you can get the actual thickness that you need. You know, some animal that is bigger than others. Maybe we need a thickness of 0.1 or 0.8 or 0.9, or we need a 1 mm thickness. So we can use all this machine to get the accurate thickness that you need from these machines. Some customers will tell you that I need a 0.8 thickness. Some will tell you that I need a 0.7 thickness. So from there, you can get the accurate thickness that you need for the customer. You can use a gauge. After they shaving the skins, they will use a gauge to check have we get the actual thickness that you need or not. If they didn't get, they will put it again inside the machine and remove and check again until they get the accurate.
So this machine is more like a filer. It files the.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
It files it to get your your desired thickness.
Yes, exactly. So from there you can take it back to drum for the remaining process. So in drum you can make a natural black, any color that you want to make. But after you make after you get the actual thickness that you need. I hope I have some examples that I will show you. It didn't shape this one. All this one is waiting for shaving before you go for this holiday. This one. If you are making the natural, after filing from a drum section, it will go direct to the setting out. After setting out, it will come direct to vacuum dryer. Vacuum dryer will make the skins flat and shine. It will open the skin to make it flat also, and the skin will shine. After finish our vacuum dryer, we will take it direct to the hanger dryer. That is the hanger dryer. If you hook the skins in hanger dryer, one day it will dry off, like this weather that we are now, the rainy season. If there is too much skins, maybe it will take 1.5 days before it will dry. But if it is during the harmattan season, one day, maybe from morning to afternoon, the skin will all dry. So we'll drop it down. After we drop it down from the hanger dryer, it will take it direct to water condition.
This hanger dryer will take.
The capacity is 5,000 pieces. So from hanger dryer, after you drop the pieces, we'll go direct to water condition. Some skins will be very dry, but before you go to the next process, we need a little moisture on it. So it has to pass through water condition before it will go to Melissa. Because if you didn't put water, if you didn't make a water condition, you take it direct to Melissa, the skins will crack because
It's
dry.
too tough.
Yes. Exactly.
Some people even use granite oil.
Yeah, because they want to make the skins to be soft. But that one is for local.
Local tanners.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
That I'm telling you, this is the local production. So this one we can sell it locally in Nigeria.
So what differentiates your local leather production to the ones that you're going to export?
Just chemicals.
Just the chemicals.
Yeah, because mostly all the chemicals that they are using for the local tanning, we are buying the chemical locally.
So are you telling me that the quality of the ones you export is different from the ones you...
Yes, exactly, because we are using different chemicals. Yeah.
How about if a customer requests for the exact quality of the exported ones? Can they get it too?
Yeah, they can get it. You know, you have different types of, even locally, we have different types of chemicals. It depends on the customer's order that I told you. If the customer give you a good price, you have to find good chemicals and make the requirement of that customer. Because all the customers, there is some requirement that will tell you, I need the skins too soft, too hard, or they will tell you, but based on the customer's requirement, you can make the leather for him. The skins are a little bit soft. You can do Molisa. This is the Molisa machine. It will make the skins to be a little bit open, but not too much open. But it will open all these the skins. And sometimes it will make it to be a little bit soft. This is the machine. So after this machine, we can take it direct to training. That is why you see this all this training on the ground. You see? That's why you see all this training. So they will trim and make the actual shape of the skins to bring out the neck, the leg, and the tail. They will make it to be skins like this one. You see now?
This one is trimmed already.
Yeah, they have already trimmed this one. The trim. So after this one, you put it in this machine. That is the toggling machine. This machine, you open all the skins. If you put it, you use a clip, that one, you put it on the machine will open all the skins. So you get the actual square feet of the skin from there.
For your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, I really appreciate.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is beautiful. These have training boots for players.
See?
Wow, this is nice.
So this is our logo, our packaging.
Yeah, let's see that. Can you open it? Wow, I love this footwear. Okay, you mean you also make your own branded footwears for sale?
Yes.
If anybody wants to get your own branded footwear, where can they get it from?
We are online.
Wow.
We have our own website.
Okay.
We have different kind of shoes. We have shoes for the south and shoes for the.
How do you mean shoes for the south?
You know, the south has different tastes, and the
Oh, the
north has
shoes for
different
the
tastes.
south. I think that is kind of you shouldn't say things like that. Like
No,
shoes
it's
for
not.
the south.
It's not.
You mean the taste of the south is not high?
Different.
Is not high as
No,
the
no,
north?
no.
No.
North
this-
and south have different tastes.
Okay.
So,
Well-
so like this is not worn in the north.
Okay, these are loafers.
Yeah. So the south is more open slippers.
More slippers. That's
Yeah?
true.
For the
This is beautiful.
for the north is more open slippers. For the south is more closed sandals,
Yes.
closed shoes.
I agree. I totally agree.
Yeah, and you know it's the market. I know the
Yeah,
market, so.
I totally agree. When it comes to marketing, you actually need to look at your location
Yeah, so-
and the
so-
customer preference.
So the northerners they don't wear the southerners shoes.
So
And the
guys,
southerners don't wear the northerners shoes.
these are shoes made by Z Tanneries, and they are really good looking. So you don't even need to feel it. I can feel the texture from looking at it. This is good.
Like you see these kind of shoes. They can be worn in the north.
That's
The north they don't like shoes.
Please, can I have those shoes? I need to have a closer look.
See?
Wow. I really don't see much differences in all of these Nigerian made shoes and those high-end quality,
We are high
so
end.
to say.
You know we are. You know what we did is this is all Italian designs
Yes,
made in Nigeria.
that's
So
true.
this is what we're doing. We're taking what's moving in the
Yes. But where do you source the leathers, the animal hides and skins from?
here locally,
Locally.
all over Nigeria.
Wow.
We have hubs all over Nigeria
Wow.
that we source local material.
Local materials from.
This is European standard.
Wow.
This all what you see here is European standard,
I'm impressed.
Nigerian made.
Wow, this is good. Honestly, this is one of the best things I've seen in a while. So guys, when you're looking for shoes and somebody shows you a Nigerian made shoe, you don't really have to be, feeling some type of way that, oh, I would rather go for maybe high-end European shoes, because you can get the same quality here in Nigeria. Thank you very much. I really appreciate.
You're welcome.
Yes, this is really good. So one last question before I drop the mic. You said you source your leathers from Nigeria.
Yeah.
I was at the local tannery and I saw that they processed some other maybe animals aside the regular sheep, cow, and goat. Like they were processing things like crocodile,
Yeah.
things like snakes, reptiles.
Yeah.
But do you do that here?
Yes.
Wow.
But we do it. We don't like to encourage killing those endangered species.
Endangered species.
But I have done a lot of reptiles. But it's being killed here, so no more sourcing. You see.
So I'm sure your foreign customers are so impressed with your quality.
But we do it personally, not for sales. We don't sell this kind because we wouldn't like to encourage sales of. They would kill all the reptiles.
That's true.
So we don't buy them.
So are you trying to tell me that you have this soft spot for endangered species? Or you feel they deserve to live and
No,
procreate?
if you kill all those animals here, Nigeria would lose all these
Ecosystems,
animals. So,
yeah.
So you need a way of farming.
Okay.
But anyway, we don't do. We also do bags, something like this.
Wow, this is nice. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is really good. This is a tote bag and it's amazing. This is nice. I'm so impressed.
So our leather can be done. You can do anything with our leather.
Yes, you can't. And leather is being considered as a byproduct of animal. Do you think it's a byproduct of livestock, or livestocks are actually being raised for for leathers.
No. The livestock in Nigeria are raised for the meat.
For the meat.
Yeah, the leather is
It's just a
it's a
byproduct.
byproduct. Yeah.
So, which other foreign country do you export to aside Europe per se? Do you go to maybe other countries like America?
China, America, Japan.
The Nigerian leather industry is one of the leading manufacturing industries, which has its value chain from animals to collectors to tanners to manufacturers of finished leather products at the top of the value chain. I met with a hides collector at the market, a section of the market dedicated to collecting and drying hides. The hide collector explained the classifications and grades of the hides. He said they are being collected from abattoirs. Also, people sell their slain animal hides to them, and they collect hundreds to thousands of hides, which are sold to tanners who make them to leather. The hides are being dried using fire to be processed at a future time, and the undried ones are sent straight to be tanned. Let's hear from him.
This one is heavy. This one is very light.
It's kit one. This is kit.
This is skin.
Kit. Small one.
Medium.
It's medium.
Okay, this is the heavy one.
Heavy one. The medium one. The kid one. And we have light
This is the
again.
kid,
Yes.
medium,
Heavy.
then heavy.
Yes.
This is the light one.
Yes.
But it's a little bit heavy than this previous one.
This is kid.
The kid. But which animal is this one?
This is light. It's light.
The animal, is it?
Okay, now sheep.
This one too is sheep.
Go.
Goats.
Yes.
So this is a workshop in Kano where they make bags and shoes, slippers, different things, finished leather products from leathers that are sourced here in Kano. So you have to come with, so we get to meet the people and see how they do things.
Here, men are working, making various designs of footwears. This is done manually according to their customers' specification. There are various shops like this across Nigeria that make handmade shoes and bags. The footwears are creatively designed and handcrafted. Maureen O, a leading contemporary leather goods brand in Nigeria, shared with me the challenges affecting the manufacturing business and its impact on users.
Challenges of competing with the foreign market because branding. If you build a brand name, you can sell your products anywhere. So of course, we are second bested by foreign products. Most people prefer to go for foreign products over Nigerian products. It's the stereotype of preferring a non-Nigerian product to a Nigerian product. It's a you thing. The Nigerian man makes a phone, you prefer to get it Juni, right? Or Owen phone. So that's it. So this we're having is because if you bring a Louis Vuitton and a Bordeaux product, keeping them aside, despite a Louis Vuitton costing more and probably of lesser quality, people will still prefer to go for Louis Vuitton. That's because of the brand name. So we are still building on the brand name, we're working on it, and I believe in the next couple of 3, 4, 5 years, we'll have a stronger brand name and a good name for our product. Sourced from Kano, Lagos, and other parts of the country in Nigeria. We have Lekki farm, we have Kano farms, leather farms, so we get them all in Nigeria. The product is very good because it comes from the leather. The hides and skin are thoroughly processed leather that gives you top quality products. That use them over time, they tend to even get a final look over time. Because leather over time really deserves beauty. So that's just it. So the quality of our products are top notch. We try to maintain a very authentic quality control during our production. That whatever goes out represent the brand name. Because if you make a mistake in the production, we're going to have problem in the market. That would affect the authenticity of our brand name. So thank you. The way we are being viewed with Nigerian products, I think you guys have to check because our products are Nigerian leathers are awesome processed. They sometimes last longer than they want to overrate, and then they are good, they have quality, they are able to stand the test of time. So trust me, it's not everything that's about Nigeria that's negative. We are doing a very well when it comes to leather, and trust me, we are having a very good customer satisfaction feedback about our leather product. So,